Back again. So conditionals, part 3, temporals. What is a temporal? So temporals are a version of the first conditional. So it's the first conditional. Are there any differences? Yep. The difference is that a temporal doesn't start with the word if. It starts with a time word. What is a time word? Time words. So instead of if, you may see words like when, until, as soon as long as, once, that means when, by the time. So if the first conditional is made like if, and then present simple, and then one of these modals or the imperative, a temporal is formed in the same way, right? If you compare, you'll see that these parts are the same, but in the conditional, I have the if word. In a temporal, I have a time word. Very easy. For example, first conditional. If you see him, tell him to call me. Temporal. So if you see, present simple and imperative. When you see him, tell him to call me. Is the meaning the same? It's not exactly the same, because if you see him means that if it happens, right? But when I say when you see him, I'm certain that you will see him. I just don't know when. First conditional. If she finishes, present simple, we can meet. The modal can. As soon as she finishes, present simple, we can meet. Temporal. The meaning, is it the same? Not exactly. If she finishes means if it happens, right? As soon as it finishes means the moment that it happens, we can meet. That's definite, right? So that's all. I think the temporals are quite easy, but they still form a part of the conditions. So see you in part 4, eh? See you there.